We are back with more Ren and Sam Tompkins. Yes, Tommy. Now, not so long ago, I reacted to them performing Earned It and Falling. Now, it came to my attention that, you know what, these two together are a problem. And when they're on the microphone, gentlemen, it is wise for you to hide your wives, your daughters, your mothers, your sisters, every woman in the vicinity, because these boys are a problem. Yeah. And after that reaction, I got a lot of people who were like, hey man, you gotta hear more stuff. And so I'm here for it, okay? Time for me to feel less of a man once more and be outshined by these two glorious white boys. Let's freaking go, man. Who knows? I might learn a thing or two. Let's go.
Oh, I love this song. You lift my heart up when the rest of me is down. You've been showing me even when you're not around. If there are boundaries, I will try to knock them down.
Oh my God, bro.
I'm latching on, babe. Now I know what I found. Think we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I feel we're close enough. Could I lock in your love?
Bruh.
Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you.
Woo.
And now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Wow.
Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. I'm so been captured. I'll be wrapped
This is
up in your touch.
This is some more unruly behavior, bro. Like, man. Unruly, bro. Woo. Sam got a problem, guys.
What did you give me to make my heart beat on my chest? I feel we're close enough. I wanna lock in your love. I think we're close enough.
Yes.
I wanna lock in your love.
Wow.
Cause now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you. And I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching onto you. Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Yo.
And I got you shackled in my embrace. I'm latching on.
Yo, guys. Yo, come on, bro. You see the brothers in the back? Do you see the brothers in the back there, right? It's either this music has got him in the mood and he feels like, you know what? These guys setting the mood right. I can talk to Shorty. Or it's probably one of those where he can see maybe she's paying way too much attention and she's already his girl. And it's like, hey, yo, you want to get out of here? You know, we got a good spot we can go to and do some other things. You know, he's trying to protect. He could see that he's about to lose the only love he has to these boys, man. These boys, Sam and man, Ren and Tommy are a problem. Woo! These keys, man. I can't. Right there. See, homie? To you. Woo! Let's go, baby. Oh! Yo, I am officially giving Sam Tommy his black card. Yeah. I can't hit any of those keys. So that could make him blacker than me. But since my skin tone dictates that I'm black and I can't do what he's doing, so it balances itself out. Sam Tommy Tompkins is officially black in my book, bro. This is wild. Do that again, bro. Do it again. Let's go. What you do right here? Right here, boy. Let's go. Show him how it's done. Let's go, Tommy. Yo. Oh, let's go. I got you, Tommy. Let's go. Woo! Come on. Yo, it looks like the guys lost. They gone, bro. She stayed. The two guys are... The two black guys in the crowd are gone, bro. He said, I told you. I knew that was happening. You see what you did? Ren and Tommy, you see what you did? You're breaking up homes, bro. Yo, they gone, bro. This is wild, bro. They gone, bro.
Now I've got you in my space. I won't let go of you.
Let's go.
Got you shackled in my embrace. I'm lashing
Got you. Woo.
Now I've got you
In my space.
I won't let go
You. I'm latching on you. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Yo. Yo, I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Yo, man. Yo. It's always a fun time, man. Yo, Sam and Ren once more, man. It was a fun time. Appreciate you guys watching this with me, man. I enjoyed it. Always enjoyed it. Not sure what this light on my face is. Yeah, but yeah, man. Appreciate you guys. If you guys stuck around and watched this with me, sub! Appreciate all the love and keep them requests coming, man. Let's freaking go, man.